What's up, everybody? I've got the Larva X. This is a larger toothpick. I love the frame, super rigid. We got big, powerful brushless motors, 1103s, a pretty solid camera, and Diamond VTX. It actually can record on board, so that's cool. Not HD footage, but you know what? Flying one of these, I probably don't necessarily need it, so that is a super neat feature. We'll take a look at this guy and how it compares to some other toothpicks. All right, so let's talk about the Happymodel Larva X. It is a 50-gram quad, 100 millimeters diagonal. We got that Crazy Bee F4 flight controller and those powerful 1103 7000 kV motors. Now, every time I armed it, it would do that. It would cut out, and it would come back in like two and a half seconds, and then it was fine for the entire flight. I don't know what that was all about, but right now you're watching footage not from the Diamond VTX, but from the goggle DVR. I just want to show you a little bit of that. You do see the breakups here and there. You know, this RunCam Nano 2, really nice camera in terms of its form factor, and actually performs pretty well. I have to say I enjoy flying this Larva X. It's a great little beginner toothpick quad. You can fly it on 2S or 3S. I recommend 3S. I found the most success, or the batteries that I liked, to be the 450. Now, with this Crazy Bee flight controller, you get an SPI receiver. And here you see the footage from the Diamond VTX. I really like this VTX. I can run on 25 or 200. I'm running on 200 milliwatts, which is pretty awesome. I am going to outrun my receiver before I outrun my video, and I'm actually going to do that here in this video. I do recommend you pick up a different version rather than just the, this is the FlySky. You can get one even with a crossfire receiver, so you can fly a lot further because this SPI receiver really just doesn't have the best range. It's a tiny little antenna, and I'm going to lose it right about here. Uh-oh, there it goes. Okay, so this really a neat package. You can get it FlySky, FreeSky, or DSMX. They sent me a FlySky one, which was a little bit problematic because I really only fly FrSky stuff. But anyway, good drone, powerful motors, best on 3S, not 2S. Solid camera, and I really do like this VTX. That's an excellent idea. That's what we need on pretty much all of these little quads. So good solid frame, good drone, good option. Hey, what do you think about this? Toothpicks in general? I have to say this Larva X is probably my favorite toothpick, followed by the Diatone. I feel like that one just has the most punch. And then the easiest and probably most durable is that Emax Tiny Hawk Freestyle. Love to interact with our viewers, so leave us a comment below, and we'll get back to you. Hey, good luck and happy flying.